गुड इवनिंग फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय न्यू व्लॉग। जैसे कि आप देख रहे हैं, हम टेरेस फ्लोर पे आए हैं और देख रहे हैं पूरा क्लाउड पूरा भर के आए हैं और बारिश शायद स्टार्ट हो जाए कुछ पलों में, मिनट्स में। और जैसे कि मैं बोला कल या परसों के व्लॉग में, 2 दिन पहले भी थोड़ी बारिश हो गई थी और आज भी थोड़ा क्लाउड हो गए। देख रहे पूरा ब्लैक क्लाउड्स है और पूरा हवा छूट गई थी थोड़ी देर पहले, तो पूरा डस्टी हो गया पूरा। तो आप देख रहे हैं पीछे, मेरे पीछे देखिए सिटी दिख रही है, क्योंकि मैं टेरेस फ्लोर पे हूँ, मैं 10th फ्लोर पे हूँ और पीछे देखिए मेरी सिटी दिख रही है। आप देख सकते हैं पेरिस पीछे सिटी है, ए साइड में भी है, ए साइड में भी है। तो कैसे आप लोग? होप ऑल आर डूइंग वेल, सब लोग ठीक है। और जैसे कि सैटरडे है तो पूरे लोग वीकेंड्स की तैयारी कर रहे होंगे, आई होपिंग सो। So working peoples will have one day leave tomorrow, holiday tomorrow, so they will be getting ready for weekend or celebrating weekend. So happy weekends to everybody. And आप देख रहे हैं पूरे बाल उड़ गए तो मैंने टाई कर दिए। तो जस्ट बारिश चालू हो जाएगी थोड़ी देर में, लग रहा है। जैसे बारिश चालू होगी तो वापस, जैसे आपको बोला था मैं 2 दिन पहले, वापस 2 दिन पहले थोड़ा क्लाइमेट ड्रॉप हो गया था, लेकिन वापस फिर 2 दिन से, कल से पूरा बहुत ह्यूमिड हो गए। और फोरकास्ट में 1 वीक रेन बोल रहे हैं, एक्चुअली इट्स फ्रॉम डे बिफोर, 4 to 5 days is there, so rain may come, forecast is there. So actually this is my place too, I mean in Coimbatore. So my place too, hope you're aware, from Ooty is here by nearby only, around 100 km. So actually this year the climate has drastically changed, and it is got affected to Ooty even. Actually Ooty is the hill station where temperature will never go by around 18 degree, 20 degree in peak time. But this year it is gone more than 29, 30. So this happened 1951 as per the records which I heard in the news or somewhere I read. It is 1950 only this has happened. So after that, this is the 2024 that is happening. So we can feel how that heat waves are came and change entire climate. Even that Ooty kind of things also is got hot. So nobody is willing to go there since it is hot. So there is no difference between the Coimbatore temperature and Ooty temperature there. So people's, actually this is main thing happened. This March, April month all summer vacation started, holiday started. So all people have started rushing to the hill stations like Ooty, Kodaikanal. Kodaikanal is near only 200 km from my place, and the Ooty, Mysore and all. So all people rushed there. So those all hill stations and all those roads are got blocked. It's blocked completely. There were even heavy traffic was there, and there were the all stations are full of rush, crowdy, very crowdy. So as per news and what people were getting news, no, वो बोल रहे थे कि पूरा रश, मतलब पीसफुल नहीं है, काम नहीं है। एक्चुअली हम क्यों जाते हैं वेकेशन पे? थोड़ा साइलेंट रहें, थोड़ा पीसफुल रहें, जाके थोड़ा 2-3 दिन 1 वीक जाके थोड़ा रेस्ट करेंगे, काम रहें, रेस्ट करेंगे, क्लाइमेट अच्छा हो तो जाके एनर्जाइज होके वापस आके बैक टू द वर्क. सो वो सब नहीं है अभी. Actually, lots of people are saying they went and they came back. They were there in 1 week, a week the hill station, but they didn't went even outside the room for more than 4 to 5 days. Since that much crowd was there, not able to say, not able to not able to imagine. So we will see where thinking people are saying, they're saying rumors and all those things, but it is fact. So this we after a lot of people saying only we just came to this is fact only. So since the climate changes drastically, all people has rushed to the hill station, and maybe this may be the reason the hill stations got stuck, got temperature high, or this all those traffic kind of things, and all those busy in hill stations may happen. So what we wanted to suggest now, actually this actually we people's only making this all those things. Since we are the cutting the trees for construction, including me, I'm saying we are cutting the trees for the making construction, the forests are getting less. So that is the reason the global warming started. So rain reduced means there is no water. So again the heat is increased because if there is no rain, heat is getting increased. So all those things are depends upon one by one only. The main reason is for this is we peoples. We only cutting trees. We only want to develop in such a way. So we are not thinking about the nature, and we only killing the nature. So I just wanted to say my thought to the all people. See, the development is must, but as per the development also, we have to think of the nature as well. Because if it is nature is not normal, then this kind of the situation will arise again and again. So even though we are developed, we are having everything, but if you don't have rain, we don't have good climate, we don't have good air, means what we'll do for this all developments and all. No, this is my feeling. Hope you also are thinking same. But I just wanted to get comments from you even. So whether what I'm saying is right or what I'm saying is wrong even. So just please, I'm just thinking, this is my thought. I just wanted to express in front of you. So I just expressed. So you please, if other than this also, if anything is there, please let me know. Add in comments, और मुझे बताइए कि कैसा, मतलब आप नहीं ऐसा नहीं है, ऐसे होना चाहिए. Let it happen with climate, anything we are going to develop, so we are going to cut trees and all those things. No, see, one thing is there. If you are cutting one tree, means we have to replant, or you have to plant another 2-3 trees to what to say, balance the nature. See, I'm not against the development, but see, nature also we have to see. If nature, as I say, nature is most important. So if you're cutting 100 trees now, then we have to plant minimum 300 trees, and you have to make it sure at least out of 300, 250 or 200 should be alive and it should grow. So this natural phenomena will not happen by sure. I just read in the books also. This will never happen. So guys, please think of it, and if anything, if you are agree with me, please comment in, share your comments, and if you are liking this vlog, आपको पसंद आया तो प्लीज़ लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए. अगेन वन मोर टाइम, बी सेफ. बारिश का मौसम चालू होने जा रहा है, तो बी सेफ, बी हेल्दी and take care of you and your family. Okay friends, bye.